Hi, I'm Sam Barron. Welcome to Class Winners Collector Vehicles Workshop. There are certain tasks that are fairly ubiquitous, and they're considered to be really simple, like changing a tire or just airing up your tire. But every so often with collector vehicles, some manufacturer throws you a total curveball. And this 1955 Ford Thunderbird, it is the hanging curveball of automotive manufacturing, because the first time even professional mechanics go to look to air up or change a tire, they're like, what in the frick? So, and it's not all 1955 Thunderbirds, or not all baby birds from 55 to 57, but specifically 55 and 1956 baby birds with the options of, well, it's about a $27 option for these rear fender skirts, but more specifically, the $35 option for these simulated wire wheel full wheel covers. As you'll notice, there's no valve stem here. You can't figure out how to do anything with this, but it turns out it's actually relatively simple once you figure it out. And there's not a lot here on the internet or even in manuals to help you out with these things. Well, first of all, the easiest thing to do is if you're changing the tire, you start with this little thing here, which was very popular in the 50s, a fender skirt. And this little handle here, you simply push up a little, push towards the center of the car, and pull down. And you'll see it just clips off. There's a little locating pin and tab right there. Pretty simple. Stay. But now for this thing. So there are some tabs in here. And if you just want to fill, you can now get access to the valve stem here with a right angle fill nipple. But if you want to take the whole thing off, there are these little tabs. And you simply pull towards the lip of the fender skirt, so out this way. This one's really, these are really stuck in the, there we go. And you'll see these little things hold this in. Now, with that off, you can simply get to the dog dish hubcap and pry it off. That simple. And the reverse, there we go. Now, key is to try to pull these back and get it on this little inner lip. So, pull it out, lip. And there you have it. Not really all that difficult, but if I were trying to change a tire in the winter at night on the side of the road, I'd be pretty angry. Then, for the fender skirt, get it up. Get it in. The holder there. And then, so just simple as putting that back up, clipping it in, and you're done. So, simple, but even many a professional mechanic have been put off by what to do with this. But that's part of the fun of old cars, is you get to learn the idiosyncrasies, and then you get to drive it. And I'll be out driving this one pretty soon here and doing a full Class Winners Collector Vehicles Seat of the Pants video. So I'm Sam Barrer. Do it yourself. It's fun.